Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Sarah Widener. She's Health and Wellness Director for Med Center Health. Sarah, the Health and Wellness Expo is coming up, and it's a great event that Med Center Health puts on every year. If you've never been, this is your opportunity to go and take advantage of some great opportunities. Sarah, what is the Health and Wellness Expo?
It's a great opportunity to start the year off. Most of us are focused on our health. So we've got new goals in mind, usually some of those revolve around health. And this is a great one-stop shop. So we have a ton of our Med Center Health internal departments that will be there with very valuable health information, as well as some external companies that will be there as well. So it is a little bit of everything where you can gather a ton of information that's going to help you out.
What can we expect to see this day, Sarah?
So we'll have, again, a little bit of everything as far as health goes. We will also have some screenings. We'll have blood pressure, stroke risk assessments, blood glucose. We'll have the Lions Club there doing vision screenings. We'll also have strength screenings, as well as hands-only CPR. And there's some others as well.
And Sarah, all of these screenings will be free, correct?
Correct. Yes. It is free to get in, and all of the screenings are free as well.
So no fee for this event, Sarah. When and where is this event going to take place?
It will be Saturday, January 13th. It'll be from 8 to noon, and that's at the Sloan Convention Center. So there's no registration. You don't have to call us and get registered, get on any list or anything. You just show up. We'll register when you get there because we'll have some fun door prizes as well. And we like to see where everybody's coming from. But otherwise, you just show up and enjoy the day.
And Sarah, I'm excited because I'm going to be there doing a food demonstration at 10:30. We know, like you said, January is the time that many of us are focused on our health. Of course, we encourage people to focus on their health all year round, but we know that for many, January is a good time to kind of reset their brain. Sarah, this is such a great opportunity. Those free health screenings and services, information on healthy living, and even a few door prizes.
That's right. That's correct. And the demos, like you mentioned, which I failed to mention. So we'll have several demos going every 30 minutes throughout the day.
Sarah, what are some of the services that Med Center Health offers regularly?
Yeah, sure. So we have everything from our dental clinic for those that don't have dental insurance or can't afford it, to neurosurgery. We've got our heart and lung doctors that will be there, and some of them will be on site. We've got our whole cancer or oncology line that will be there as well. Women's health specialists is a big one, especially for us ladies. We need to make sure that we're staying on top and taking care of ourselves. So they'll be there as well. So these are just great opportunities to stop and talk to all different health avenues. We'll also have our Barren River Adult Day Center. So if you have a loved one that you need help with during the day, whether it's somebody with intellectual, or mental disabilities, a great place to learn more about what they do. So again, Kristi, we have just a little bit of everything that will be there.
Definitely, Sarah. And I'm so glad that the Health and Wellness Expo is on a Saturday for anyone who can't take advantage of those services during the week. January 13th from 8 a.m. to noon, Med Center Health and Wellness Expo at Sloan Convention Center. If you want to take advantage of a great opportunity, there's going to be free health screenings and services, information on healthy living, and great door prizes. Totally free, no registration required. We hope to see you there. Sarah, thank you so much for being with us today. Thank you for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.